Hello all. Why include fruits in our diet? As they contain lots of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, fruits provides us many benefits. Apples are some of the most delicious fruits. Health benefits of apples include prevention of cardiac and GI disorders, constipation, anemia, and diabetes. Bananas contain several essential nutrients and provide benefits for digestion, heart health, and weight loss. Strawberries are very rich in antioxidants and plant compounds, which is beneficial for heart health and blood sugar control. The nutrients in grapes offer a number of possible health benefits. They have been associated with prevention of cancer, heart disease, high blood pressure, and constipation. Oranges are made up of carbs and water. They're a good source of fiber, which may support digestive health. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin A, which supports eye health. Also high in polyphenols, which may have anti-cancer properties. Papaya offers many health benefits including a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, cancer, improving blood glucose control in those who have diabetes, lowering blood pressure. Pineapple gives many health benefits, including aiding digestion, boosting immunity and speeding up recovery from surgery, among others. Raspberries appears to decrease the risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and overall mortality. Watermelon decreases the risk of obesity and overall mortality, diabetes, and heart disease. Kiwis have plenty of fiber, which is already good for digestion. Consumption of fruits provides health benefits. People who eat more fruits and vegetables as part of their healthy diet are likely to have a reduced risk of some chronic diseases.